In this video, I will show you how to create a sub-account in GoHighLevel. To do this, first just sign in to your GoHighLevel account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up and get an extended 30-day free trial through the link down in the description. Now, after you have created your GoHighLevel account, you will get to your agency dashboard. Now from here, just click sub-accounts. And then from within your client list, so your sub-accounts, you can go and click add sub-account in the top right. And then here, just choose a snapshot. Now you can also start with a blank snapshot, or you can import a snapshot if you have bought one, for example. And a snapshot is basically a collection of templates for a specific type of business, such as a bakery, chiropractor, business coaching, etc. Now, for example, I'll just go with gym right here and click select and continue. And then here you need to select where the location is. So just type it in the search bar or add the account manually. Then after you enter the address, you will need to enter the account info, so the first and last name and email address of the business owner, and then you can also add some more details right here, but most of it will be entered automatically from the location that you searched for. And then once you have entered all of this, just scroll down and click save. And then you will have created this sub account, and then you can just go and switch to it. So it will now show this. Now just click switch to sub account, and then you can start managing it, and you can just start using GoHighLevel for this client as well. So now you know how to create a sub account in GoHighLevel. Again, if you would like to claim an extended 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel, you can go and claim that through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.